another video. What's up, guys? Today we've got the Kobe 6 All-Star, and this is a really good pair. Shout out to Kicks Up Service for sending these through, and I want to apologize for taking so long to make this video. Kicks Up, I planned on going to the gym. I got a gym membership, and I can't bring myself to go to the gym for some reason. I'm paying for it. Actually, they gave me a free month, and I still haven't even went, so I got to change that. But I did review the shoe. Again, this is the All-Star version, the new All-Star version. What are they? Black and light bone. I've been seeing these on TV, and I just thought it was like a white 6 with a black swoosh on the side. These are not white. They're bone. They kind of have like a off-white looking color to them, and they're pretty dope. So let's go ahead and check them out. But as you can see, I didn't go to the gym in them to give them like that court feel test like I typically do. And I'm going to get in the gym. Not too many people are sending the hoop sneakers like that, but I just still need to get into the gym. At my old age, I'm kind of falling apart. But, you know, I have a little home gym area, and I kind of do some stuff in there. So it is what it is. But anyway, the Kobe 6 All-Star, what the hell is this? I don't even know what this is, guys. What did they put in the box? I don't know what any of that stuff means. I'm just going to toss that to the side. But we've got the bone Kobe 6s, and they're dope. I really do like them. I'm actually a fan of plain-looking shoes. I come from the era of plainer-looking basketball sneakers. Now everything's all crazy-looking. Here's the reverse Grinch, and I'm going to use this shoe. Well, here's the original All-Star. This is the first version that Kobe actually wore in an All-Star game. This is a retail pair. I got these off like maybe sneakers when they dropped, and they're really nice. I still like the original All-Stars more than the bones, but the bones they're right up there with them. But I'm using this shoe right here. This is a retail pair that I hit on sneakers as well, like a shock drop. I got so lucky, and I'm using this just as like a model to compare to a retail 6. So that shoe has nothing to do with it except for shape and size. And from what I can tell right here, they're spot on. And I do like the stars. I'm glad they finally switched this pattern up. It's usually just the typical scales from like a snake, black mamba, and all that good stuff. And they kind of mixed it with the stars and the scales. That was actually a good idea. They didn't have to do all that, but that's dope that sometimes they mix up the upper print. And that's a really good upper too. Like that rubber really goes a long way when you're on the basketball courts. It's breathable. It's very pliable, if that's the word, and it feels good on your foot. This is the shoe that they wanted to like mold to your foot kind of thing. They were advertising as that, and they actually do. Like when I put these on, 6s in a size 10 for me, they're really snug at first, and you can almost think that they don't fit well or these won't do well. But once you get them moving around in them for like maybe 20-30 minutes, they do actually mold to your foot, and then when you put your foot back in them another time, it's a perfect match. When I do get back on the courts, I'm gonna wear this shoe first, and I won't do another review, but I'll probably put something on IG that I wore them, and I'll shout out the person that gifted them. So make sure you follow me on Instagram at Cola Culture to see all that good stuff. And we're in an interesting spot now as far as the basketball sneakers that we're getting, because in the NBA, I'm just trying to measure the distance between the swoosh and the two lace holes just to see how they compare to the retail pair. Let me see. Let me grab it. Let me see. See, that looks good. That's like perfect. There's really no differences. But like I was saying, we're in a weird place where in the NBA, everybody's still wearing the Kobe 5, the Kobe 6, sometimes the 7, and a lot of the 8s. And those shoes are from 10+ years ago. And there's all these other sneakers out. From like New Balance, from Nike, Skechers is out there on the court now, and they're supposed to be the new sneakers with all this new tech, even Lightning and Peak and all them. But everybody still seems to be going back to the Kobe 6, 5, and 8 specifically. There's other Kobes out there, but mainly those 3. And it's like they can't do better than that. Is it because Kobe passed and he has like a legacy? I'm not really sure, because nobody was really rocking Kobes when Kobe was alive on the court. Nobody really wore the Kobes. And I ain't gonna lie, after the 8, I really didn't pay much attention to them. But now they're like gold, and everybody wants them. I see a lot of kids wearing them. The Grinches are still very popular. But it's just very interesting all the NBA players are still wearing these older models, which I think is dope. And I think it's dope that Kicks Up Service sent me these. Hopefully they'll send me another pair, maybe something else, who knows. But I'm definitely going to put these on the court. I might actually start hooping with people, maybe a league or something. I don't know. But that's pretty much the video, guys. Again, Kicks Up, my bad about taking so long. It took like 3 weeks to make this video. It only took me a day to actually film and record and shoot and post. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, love, and light, and I'm out.